Okay, so I'm gonna do this video without any background music because I just tested it. For some reason, you don't hear the music at all. I don't get it. I'm just gonna do videos without music until I figure this thing out. There used to be you used to hear when I rechecked my videos, this music playing just fine. But now it's not recording at all. And if I put my system sound like system sounds. mm, System sound to check what then you guys don't hear me at all because the system is it's recording the system music, so that's weird. Anyway, I want to make a video about my trading strategy. Make a small, I mean, 5 minute video on how what my trading strategy consists of. Because when you if you because my quality isn't the best, I know. Believe me, I know. If you've been following me, then you pretty much know how I trade, but I don't have a simple, small, short trading strategy video. So, and I'm gonna check my trading journal to find a winning trade. Uh, that way I can show you. Of course, there's gonna be losing trades, and this is evaluation. My Forex funds 10K evaluation challenge counted this one, so of course, there's going to be winning streaks, losing streaks, and right now at my verification stage, I'm at a losing streak. Uh, but let's actually let's take a trade that I lost. But if I had cleaned my charts, then I would have probably taken the opposite trade. So we are ranging on CAT CHF, right? And this is all of this here, an area of resistance for me. Yes, there's an extreme high here. Yes, you can wait until price gets down here, up here. But checking this zone here, it's also an H1 resistance, small resistance, right? And there's divergence at that area here. Resistance, divergence, rejections, multiple wicks, rejection wicks. This is also an N pattern, and that's it. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Short, simple, just p- plain simple. Look at how simple and uh, clean my chart is. I got no fancy indicators. I just got a resistance line and just a line to indicate the divergence, and that's a trade I should have taken. And I trade 1 to 1, a little bit over 1 to 1, so this would have been an easy 1 to 1 trade, right? And yeah, that's it. How long did it take? I was ranting on about some music. So 2 minutes, basically, about 2 minutes, and that's my trading strategy: resistance, divergence, rejection wicks, an M pattern, or something like that. Let's take another. But unfortunately, I took the opposite trade. I was looking at this support here, and I got a late entry. This trade would have worked out if I would have gotten in around here. So again, support, divergence, right? Divergence. If you would have gotten in here, easy, simple trade, right? 1 to 1 would have worked out just fine, perfect, right? But the entry is like 1 a.m. or maybe even if we would have gotten in here, a little bit bigger stop, but still a 1 to 1, right? Easy. Still, it would have worked out. But I got in up here. I got in up here. I got a late, I got a late entry. I placed my stop, something like this. So this was my trade, and I got stopped out. But the setup was the setup was good. I just got a late entry, and so vice versa, right? Uh, and I trade usually on H1. I look for entries on H1. I I do check the daily chart for a trend, like the direction, or not actually not trend directions. I'm looking for like daily support resistance zones because that's where price is like. So example here is a daily resistance, right? So if price should get up here, there's gonna be some kind of reaction, right? And usually one-to-one trades work out pretty good. I do plan to develop that, take profit strategy, and like close half of my position at 1 to 1, and then the other half at 1 to 2, something like that. But that's in the future. I gotta get the thing I'm working on the most right now is controlling my emotions and discipline and patience. That's why I'm keeping my trading strategy as simple as possible. I'm looking for support resistance uh, and wicks at support resistance, an M or a W, depending on where the price is, and M at resistance and the a W at support, and that's it. That's why I'm keeping my trading strategy as as basic, as simple as possible, because I have to develop myself as a trader so that I can develop my trading strategy. So that's basically what I'm doing in a nutshell. I'll give you another example. What was it? So GPAUD, let's say GPAUD. What do we use better? GPAUD, GPAUD. So I took this down movement here, from here to here. GPAUD is better. So this is a resistance here, right? So I didn't quite touch, but almost, right? So one, two rejections. So a third rejection. There's a divergence here. I know I took this trade, so let's see what it looked like. So I took this trade, and when you see here, there's divergence here, right? So I took this trade from here, starting from the next hour, I think. And this is what it did. And boom. So what was the baseline of this trade? Resistance, divergence at resistance, and M at resistance, a big M, right? So yeah, you can't always have a completely symmetric M, but the baseline of it is like still an M, and that's it. I'm gonna keep this video short so that I won't just keep ranting on. It's all right. It's 10 minutes. Okay, so yeah, that's the basic of it, and that's the strategy I'm using, and I used it to pass the evaluation, and right now I'm working on verification. So feel free to use it, and you can like incorporate it in your own maybe strategy or something like that. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.